respected Commandant sir, respected Principal sir, my near and dear colleagues. Today I would like to tell you something more about the topic which is related to our profession. But before that, I would like to ask you some questions. A man who teaches to the students, what do we call it? We call it a teacher. What is the role of a teacher? To bring out effective teaching and learning process in the classroom. But actually what happens in the classroom? Is it going on effectively in the classroom? That we are going to discuss in the seminar. And that's why you are heartily welcome in today's seminar. But before that, I would like to declare some sentences. And that sentences always we read when we observe or watch the movies. These sentences are, इस फिल्म की सभी पात्र काल्पनिक है, इसका कोई वास्तव घटना से कोई संबंध नहीं है. और द मेन सेंटेंस आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट किसी की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाना हमारा मकसद नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट वांट टू हर्ट योर इमोशंस. बट व्हाट आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द टीचर्स, ट्रेनर्स and the scholars, that I want to express in front of you. My dear friends, always what happens in the classroom? Because many classrooms I observed when I went to my native places, when I went everywhere, I observed many classes. And what is actually going on in the classes? Only traditional method is used by the teachers. Only traditional method. For example, when teacher enters in the classroom, students say, "Good morning, sir." "Good morning, my dear student. Sit down, please. Give me your book. Where were we?" Okay. Students say, "Sir, this topic is finished and now we have to learn the next topic." Then immediately teacher takes the books, he opens the books and he directly writes on the blackboard the name of the topic. For example, there is a topic, the Shivneri Fort. Before that, I want to write today's topic. Then directly teacher writes that topic on the board, the Shivneri Fort. Okay, this is enough. Then directly, what does he do? He reads some sentences. Shivneri is the biggest fort in Maharashtra. It is very far away from Aurangabad. It is 250 kilometers away from Aurangabad. There are so many sightseeing places are there. Many tourists used to visit Shivneri Fort. Okay, lesson is going on, everything is going on, and then directly the teacher translate that sentences into his mother tongue. Okay, this is enough. The student, he will get the moral value of the lesson. Doesn't matter. But the very first sentence, the important sentence, I have already told you. The lesson starts from that sentence. Shivneri is the biggest fort in Maharashtra. Shivneri is the biggest fort in Maharashtra. Okay, but we never tell the students what type of sentence is this. Can you tell me the type of this sentence? We never do like that. Actually, what we have to do? We have to tell the students the kind or the type of the sentence. Actually, this is a superlative degree. Then we have to tell the students, because what is happening? Teaching is going on, grammar is going on, minute points, everything is going on when we teach to the students. Then transformation automatically. What comes here? Transformation comes here. Then we can tell the students, now we are going to change this sentence into two sentences. At that time we can again tell them the meaning of the sentence will be same, but there will be different kind of sentences, and now that sentences we are going to make. So this is superlative degree. We can tell to the students, and now we are going to make comparative degree. Shivneri is bigger than any other fort in Maharashtra. Shivneri is bigger than any other fort of Maharashtra. This is comparative degree. Again we can tell to the students, now we are going to make its positive degree. No other fort is as big as Shivneri. Now this is positive degree. No other fort is No other fort is as big as Shivneri. Now listen, what miracle is going on in the class? A very nice miracle is going on in the class. What is happening? Lesson is going on. Students are learning moral value. At the same time, they are learning English grammar. Again, we can tell more than that. At the end, we have to put full stop. This is the superlative word, that is biggest. This is the comparative word, that is bigger. And when you want to change this degree into positive degree, then at that time you have to take the small group of that word, means big, and you have to take between the two words, as big as. Then it will be positive degree. Like a small information we can tell to the students. But actually that is not happening in the classroom, as I observed everywhere in the class. But only this is happening in our school. All our teachers, they are taking lot of efforts in the classroom. Lot of efforts teachers are taking. Hard work our teachers are taking. But there is no need to take lot of efforts. No need to take lot of efforts, because you are a guide. Teacher are the achiever. We are a path. Teacher are the passenger. Sorry. We are path and students are the traveler. That role we have to do in the classroom. But actually what is happening in the classroom? Teacher is hero. Students are zero. Teacher is active. Students are inactive. Teacher is moving in the class and students are stagnant. That positions always we observe in the classroom. And that's why what should be there in the classroom? Teaching and learning process should go simultaneously. One way is going on and second way is closed, that is blocked. Means two-way communication is not happening in the classroom, and that's why the very important part in the class, two-way communication should be there in the classroom. That's why I would like to tell you one sentence which is told by a scholar, and that is the definition of a teacher. A teacher who enables the student, a teacher who teaches to the student is not a real teacher. What? A teacher who teaches to the student is not a real teacher. Everyone teaches. But a teacher who enables the student to learn by themselves is a real teacher. But a teacher who enables the student to learn by themselves. Now you will say, how to enable the student to learn by themselves? By asking small questions, students will learn automatically. For example, as I have taken the topic, the Shivneri code. Then we can ask them some questions. Can you tell me the names of another codes? The student will say, Sir, I will say, I want to tell you, sir, like that. All students will raise their hands. Means what is happening? Class is live. Now their class is live. Means two-way communication now started. Two-way communication is started there. When we ask some questions to the students. So related to this, I again remembered one sentence of Swami Vivekananda. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in a man. And many times I have told this sentence to the students. Manifestation of perfection is already there. Then what you have to do? Be a guide. Don't do anything else in the classroom, be a guide. Because manifestation of perfection is already there. But you have to bring out his inner talent, and that work we have to do in the classroom. My dear friends, language can do anything. Lot of miracles can be happen by the language. Even a full stop is also important. This dot is also very important. See, revolution can be done by language. What I am telling you, you want this full stop, this comma, hyphen, dash, question mark, exclamation mark, each and every punctuation mark is important in a language. And it can do any miracle. For example, I would like to tell you one example. Once what happened? There was a very beautiful and fantastic movie. Many people came there to watch that movie. But there were no seats in the talkies. That movie was houseful. There were no seats. So one worker of that talkies, means who was working in the talkies, what did he do? He wrote some sentences on the blackboard. He wrote one sentence in the blackboard, and that sentence was in Hindi. Roko, mat jaane do. Because that talkies was houseful. No seats were there. That's why he wrote one sentence. Roko, mat jaane do. Public was watching that board, and they were discussing with each other. Oh, we can't get the chance to watch this movie. Already that movie is full. So let's go to home. But there was one man. He was very fond of that movie. What did he do? He removed this comma and put here. Roko mat jaane do. See what a miracle can do even any single punctuation mark. The meaning of the sentence is changed. That's why, my dear friends, what I want to tell you. As a teacher, we have to do lot of work in the classroom. We are a friend of students. We are their parents. We are their mother and father. And that role we have to do in the classroom. If teacher is weak, students will be weak. If students are weak, the village will be weak. If village is weak, district will be weak. And if district is weak, state will be weak. And if state is weak, nation will be weak. And that's why teacher is called nation builder, a pillar of the nation. And that role we have to bring out in the classroom.